This feeling that I get with you, it feels brand new. And I'm sorry if I make you feel like you're not enough sometimes. I just don't know how to put my feelings to the line.
Can I make you cry, man?
need some peace in my mind. Yeah, you know that I try. Stop playing with my heart. You need to decide. From the look in your eyes, I can tell that you cry. You cry. So fake, every word you say. Like when you claim you loved me, and your cruel intentions. You failed to mention that you never listened to my crying wishes. And now you take control of how I represent you to all of our friends.